Sheikh, men don't act right, and you all give us sermons and all, but not the men. So how are they supposed to change? Because it's always us changing and not them. And so we don't want to marry because of that. Talk about it, Sheikh.
If
Yes.
you know me, you know that I am very, very, very tough on men and on women and on children. I'm very tough on everybody. I roast everybody. So when I speak to women, I make them feel the responsibility they have in front of Allah. But definitely I'm not going to tell them how men should treat them. But when I speak to men, I totally scold them, make them lie on their backs and jump on their stomachs with my feet until they're flattened. And they feel insulted. Sheikh, why are you so harsh on us? Because I have 13 daughters. I have to take care of my daughters and make sure that men honor them. But at the same time, you address what needs to be addressed. When a woman comes to me on the phone, I give her hell. But when her husband comes to me on the phone, I give him hell. When they both come to me on the phone, I have to break. I can't say, Akhi, you're wrong, because she will hold it against him till the day of judgment. The Sheikh said you're wrong. And I can't say to her, what you've done was wrong, because he would hold it against her. It's different. So now for women, I tell what women must hear. But when I address men, wallahi, don't be worried. Don't worry. I tell them exactly what they should hear according to the Quran and the Sunnah, and give them the right advice they need to treat you as queens.